Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda if you're new here. And in today's video, we are doing an entire wash day with the newest product launches of 2020. We're gonna use everything from wash day products, styling products, and even finishing products. And all of these products have launched this month at Walmart.com. This video is actually in partnership with Walmart, so we are going to have some Walmart exclusive products in here as well that you guys can only find there. Not only are these products going to be brand spanking new, but since we love to do curly hair products on a budget, all of these are going to be under $15 as well. So if you guys are interested in seeing the newest natural hair product launches of 2020, then hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. Alright, so before we get started with our styling routine for today's video, I am just doing a little bit of wet popping. And while I'm doing this, I want to go over my wash day routine with you guys and share all the new products that I used for today's video. So the first product that I used for today's wash day was this Rooted Rituals Ginger Root and Mint Pre-Shampoo Root Rinse. The directions for this pre-shampoo root rinse is to shake well, section hair, and spray onto dry scalp before shampooing. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes or as desired. Rinse well, then follow up with a shampoo and conditioner. This pre-shampoo helps break down stubborn oil and buildup before shampooing to give your scalp a clean slate. Now this is actually the only product that I have in today's video that is not completely curly girl friendly, and the only reason for that is because it actually has isopropyl alcohol, which for curly girls we know that to be a more drying alcohol. But since this is a pre-shampoo treatment and we're actually going to go ahead and wash this out of our hair within 5 to 10 minutes, and for that reason I felt like I could bend the rules a little bit and try this out. I could definitely feel the peppermint oil that's in this pre-shampoo. It gave my scalp that tingly feeling, and I personally love peppermint oil for that reason. So after massaging this in, I left it in for about 10 minutes before my showering routine. So for today's wash routine, I am using the brand new Pantene Nutrients Blend line. So this shampoo and conditioner I picked up is the Pantene Nutrients Blend Complete Curl Care with jojoba oil, sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo and conditioner are free of sulfates, silicones, parabens, dyes, and mineral oil. I believe these both were around $7, so $7 for the shampoo, $7 for the conditioner, which makes it a great drugstore deal. My favorite thing about this line is the scent. These smell absolutely incredible. You guys will love the scent of these. And for this to be a sulfate-free shampoo and still give me that lather that I'm looking for and leave me with that really clean scalp feeling, this is definitely going to be one of my new go-tos for shampoo for sure. So after my shampoo, I used the Complete Curl Care sulfate-free conditioner. So this conditioner says sulfate-free and it actually is silicone-free as well. This conditioner was perfect for my hair type. I think this conditioner would be perfect for anyone with my hair type or even a wavy hair type. It was lightweight enough that it doesn't weigh your hair down, but it's also creamy enough that it was great for detangling. Alright, so now that we have gone through all of the new wash day products, let's get started with our styling routine. The curl cream I'm going to be using today is a brand new line. This is called Hairitage by Mindy McKnight. This curl cream is sulfate-free, phthalate-free, paraben-free, silicone-free, mineral oil-free, color-safe, cruelty-free, and vegan. I believe this line is also exclusive to Walmart, so you guys can go on Walmart.com and check out this brand new line and all of their products. This curl cream says, stay ahead of the curve and ahead of the curl. This curl cream provides unmatched definition and control while maintaining movement, touchability, and bounce. This cream is made with jojoba protein, lemongrass, and chamomile. This Hairitage line actually just released on January 24th, so only a few days ago. This curl cream had amazing slip and the scent smells like a very expensive perfume, so I am feeling it. I feel like I'm gonna walk out of here smelling like $1,000,000, but I only had to spend $7.94. So now that we're done with our curl cream, I'm gonna move on to my gel. For today's gel, I'm gonna be using this Hairitage To The Max Maximum Hold Styling Gel. This also is sulfate, phthalate, paraben, silicone, gluten, and mineral oil free. These are color safe, cruelty free, and vegan. This gel says To The Max is not shy about pushing the limit. This fierce styling gel is the perfect match for structured looks with a long-lasting hold. Eliminate frizz, flakes, and the tack while maximizing your hairstyle. So you guys can use this on wet hair like I'm about to do, or they also suggest to use it on updos, sleek ponytails, and sleek styles. You guys know how picky I am about my gels. They have to be a super ultra strong hold, and this one was only $7.94 as well. So I am very excited about this line. So I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair dry, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the last product I'm gonna use for today's video. Let us just take a moment and appreciate this wash and go. Oh. I just diffused my hair, and let me tell you, there is not an ounce of frizz, and I haven't even fluffed it or anything. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like right after I finished diffusing, and this, wow. This is what I call a bomb wash and go. I don't know what else you could want. We got volume, we got definition, no frizz. So 2 thumbs up to all the products I've used so far. Alright guys, so the last product I'm going to be using on my hair today is actually something new to me. I haven't used a type of product like this before, so I actually picked up 2 of them. This is the Waterless Fragrance Mist, which is basically a perfume for your hair. So this is something I would normally use later on in my wash and go when I need a little bit of freshening up. It might not smell as great as it does right now, fresh out of the shower. So the scents that I picked up are the Waterless Rose and Peach, which I believe is their newest scent. This one just came out. And then I also picked up the Apple and Berry scent. So I think I'm gonna use the Rose and Peach today because that has my name all over it. This fragrance mist is curly girl friendly. It is sulfate free, paraben free, and also alcohol free. Another cool thing about this brand, it was actually born in South Africa. The brand Waterless was designed for Cape Town in response to the Day Zero water crisis. Their mission is to help people of all hair types and textures get great hair without having to use water. This was about $8 and it's going to last you a very long time. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing the newest products of 2020 in action. As you can see, I got a 10 out of 10 wash and go, so I am very happy with the results. So I will leave the links to all of these down below in my description box. Again, you can find all of these products at walmart.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.